Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are covering the top Nifty 50 movers and key market levels to watch. If you enjoy this analysis, please hit the like button and subscribe for daily stock market updates. Now let us get started. Nifty closed at 24,021 rupees 65 today, just 2.4% below its all-time high. Here are the exact numbers straight from NSE. In the next 6 minutes, see which stocks led the rally, what drove their moves, and which market levels matter now. The Nifty closed at 24,021 rupees 65, up 0.83%, opening at 23,795 rupees 8, with a high of 24,090 rupees 05 and a low of 23,789 rupees 25. Previous close was 23,824 rupees 1. Short-term technicals show EMA9 at 23,900 rupees above EMA20 at 23,781 rupees. That's a short-term bullish tilt, while RSI at 59.3 sits neutral. So this isn't an overbought sprint. Volume was in line with the 20-day average, so nothing wild from retail activity. Resistance sits near 24,168 rupees and immediate support near 23,902 rupees, and Nifty is trading within 2.4% of its 52-week high at 26,373 rupees 2. The market is clearly flirting with history, like someone checking a high score one more time. On flows, this rally felt flow-led rather than headline-led, a steady drift higher off the short-term EM as suggests buying pressure across the board. One cross-session note, Trent has been a top mover in 3 of the last 6 sessions, which helps explain sector strength today. Drop the stock you're watching in the comments. I read everyone. Trent opened at 31.58 rupees 1 and finished at 32.47 rupees 0, up 3.31%. with an intraday high of 33.09 rupees 2 and a low of 31.40 rupees 0. Previous close was 31.42 rupees 9. The move pushed the stock within 1.9% of its 52-week high of 62.51 rupees 76, though remember that high is far above current levels. Why it moved? Volume was 2.51 the 20-day average, and the stock made a 20-day closing high breakout. Classic signs institutions stepped in and price discovery kicked off. RSI at 78.4 flags overbought conditions, and EMA9 at 30.88 rupees, sitting above EMA20 at 29.68 rupees, confirms short-term bullishness. What to watch tomorrow? The key level to watch is support at 31.37 rupees and resistance at 33.09 rupees. Holding above the 20-day breakout and above EMA9 would keep this momentum theme intact. And yes, Trent RSI at 78.4 is basically the chart raising its hand and saying, "I've had enough coffee today." Transitioning now to the next surprise. But the biggest surprise today is still ahead. Here's why. Bajaj Finance opened at 952 rupees 4 and closed at 990 rupees 95, up 2.97%. making an intraday high of 993 rupees 9 and a low of 952 rupees 4. Previous close was 962 rupees 4. It's trading very close to its 52-week high of 1102 rupees 5, within about 0.3% of that near-term reference. Why it moved? The stock logged a 20-day closing high breakout, and EMA9 at 955 rupees sits above EMA20 at 936 rupees, pointing to short-term bullish control. RSI at 78.4 is also overbought, though volume was 0.93 the 20-day average, so this looks like steady demand rather than a volume spike. What to watch tomorrow? Watch the immediate resistance around 994 rupees and support near 948 rupees. The behavior around these levels after the breakout will tell you whether momentum keeps its footing. Quick joke, Bajaj Finance hitting RSI 78.4 is less a technical reading and more like the chart wearing a neon IM overheated sign. As always, this is market observation. Verify with your advisor before any decision. Moving on to Adani Enterprises. Adani Enterprises opened at 29.88 rupees 3 and closed at 30.69 rupees 7, up 3.6%, with a high of 3077 rupees 8 and a low of 2971 rupees 0. Previous close was 2962 rupees 9. The stock is trading within 0.7% of its 52-week high of 3091 rupees 7, it's certainly testing the upper range. Why it moved? There was no clear trigger identified today in the data feed, but short-term technicals are constructive EMA 9 at 3001 rupees above EMA 20 at 2939 rupees, and volume at 1.21, the 20-day average indicate measured buying. RSI at 64.7 is neutral to warm, so not yet a red flag for profit taking. What to watch tomorrow? The key level to watch is resistance at 3092 rupees and support at 2944 rupees. Holding above the EMA 9 and that support zone would be meaningful for continuation. Dry one-liner. Adani Enterprises nudging its 52-week high again makes the chart look like it's practicing for a high jump elegant but not finished. Keep in mind this is educational analysis, not a recommendation. Today's theme was selective strength. Nifty nudged higher helped by short-term bullish EMAs, while a few names Trent, Bajaj Finance, Adani Enterprises ran toward their recent highs on higher conviction or breakout behavior. Top 2 things to watch tomorrow. Which of these names holds above their breakout levels? Trent S 3137 rupees support and Bajaj Finance S 948 rupees level. And whether Nifty can clear resistance near 24,168 rupees with rising volumes. If you found this useful, like the video, drop the stock you're watching in the comments, and subscribe for daily market breakdowns. This video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute investment advice. Please consult a SEBI-registered financial advisor before making any investment decisions.